rin siya even though I am vlogging already. Good morning. Today is a Sunday. I just wanted to do a quick vlog of how my Sundays have been. Medyo nagmamadali akong salita because I'm literally at the stoplight and I have like 45 seconds. But yeah, I figured I wanted to try something different because like it's been so long since I vlogged. Per usual, it's been a year. But 2025 was like grind season. So much has changed and has happened, but all good. So right now I was thinking I want to try something different, like what I've said earlier. I want to vlog, edit it within the day, and then just post it, unlike the usual na I do. So yeah, I'm gonna take you throughout how my Sundays have been after the holidays. So things has changed. I am heading to church today. Before going to church, I am gonna drop off some stuff sa JNT, and then I'm gonna try to go to Watson's real quick. So I have just a few errands before going to church because yung church is at 3 p.m. pa naman and it's like 2:13 right now. So I still have time. Kaya din inagahan ko talaga. There are several services later, but I'm trying to aim for the 3 p.m. because I wanted to try out a different branch today. So that's gonna be near Clark. So I'll drop this off real quick lang. Okay, so change of plans. I'm gonna go head to church first kasi it's pretty much in front of SM Clark anyway. So I think if after church na lang ako mag-Watsons and other errands para mas maluwag yung time because it's already 2:30. For some reason, ang bilis ng oras. So, and I really want to try out that branch for today. So, I'm heading to church now.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. World outside can't wait a few.
Right, so I just left the church. As you've seen earlier, I picked up a coffee kasi sa baba ng church is literally pick up coffee and I super love pick up coffee. And it's pretty early pa naman, so I figured I can still drink coffee. I'm planning to go to a different Watson, siguro somewhere near my area or Friendship area na lang kasi walang Watsons in City Front. Meron, like about to open pa lang. I just know na hindi pa siya open now. And then naisip ko nga sa Friendship or Korean Town na lang ako mag-Watsons kasi I'm also craving for Korean food, so I might just have early dinner there. And then I'm gonna pass by the market real quick to buy a few supplies for this week. It's just how my day is gonna go. So let's go.
Now we got nothing else to do.
Okay, so I'm in the Nepo area. Done already, as you've seen. I didn't end up going to the Korean restaurant. Siguro some other time I'll vlog that na lang because that's like my favorite restaurant. Medyo hassle kasi going to that way. So I was like, sige na nga, I'll just go to Nepo and just check if there's something that I like. So I went dun sa parang bazaar area and then checked if something was, I was craving for something. Pero I was really craving for the Korean kimbap. So I ended up buying dun sa Korean grocery store. So my last stop is a mini grocery then because I just need to get like milk and some other stuff. So let's go. So, alam mong nasa house na ako when the lighting is bad and I'm literally sweating like crazy. Anyway, I am now home from my quick Sunday trip. So I went to church and then I did a few errands per usual. I just got a few things on my handy dandy tote bag before I end today's vlog. I figured I'll just share it with you. Feeling ko napakita ko naman siya when I went to... Sorry, I keep hitting the table. First, from Watsons, I got acetone and then 2 of my nail polish. Well, yung ganito ko kasi, natapon siya while I was doing my nails. These are my nails, by the way. I did them on my own. This is also from OMG, and it's the color navy blue. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. It matches my bracelet, like that one. But it's so cute. So, usually kasi, I only go for like 3 colors. Black, white, or red. Always, like sa nails ko. So, obviously, I had to get like another black one kasi what I really like this brand. It's just that since small lang din naman kasi siya, parang you only get to really get the best swipe for like 5 to 6 times, and then mabilis siyang mag-dry out. Like yung pag nasa bottle siya mismo, parang mabilis na siya din mag-dry out. So what I try to do is just like replenish it from time to time. Pero I like the quality of this one kasi matagal siya matanggal like sa nails mo. So, and then I top it off with this clear one. And then, yun nga, since natapon yung clear gel ko sa floor, obviously, ang pangpatanggal ng nail polish is acetone. So, I had like one big bottle nun. Since natapon siya sa floor, ito rin yung pinang-clean ko. So, I had to buy a new one. And then, I went to OSave because recently, I've been looking for like the cheapest price ng milk na gusto ko. And then, I've been buying sa Robinsons, pero parang in a way, medyo malaki pa rin yung patong niya. What am I saying? Anyway, I usually get Cowhead because I'm trying to do my own coffee at home, even though I already bought kanina. Pero, Sunday naman so pinagbigyan ko na yung self ko. Pero feeling ko kasi, like, you know what? It's really in the milk. Like, hands down, Cowhead talaga ang the best milk for me sa mga coffee. So, kay OSave, it's 99 pesos. Pero when I go sa mga grocery, it's like 106 pataas. So, I figured I'll just get sa OSave kasi one, it's super near my place. And then, yun nga, it's much cheaper. So, I got that for this week kasi I'm running out. And then, I did get oil lang, this tiny bit, kasi nawawala, paubos na din yung oil ko. And then, this one, I just saw this. And I love yung mga ganitong bread, yung mga toasted bread. So I figured it would be good for breakfast maybe. So yun. And then I told you I've been craving for Korean kimbap. Hindi na nga ako nakastop by dun sa gusto kong restaurant. But I promise I will take you there soon. And it's super good and so cheap. Pero sa Nepo area kasi there's this Korean grocery, like literally inside Nepo, na New Point, na I really like. So I got their kimbap. And half nga lang kasi usually I get like the full one, pero hindi naman nung try. Kasi nga, pang dinner ko na sana, wala. Yung ganitong sizes na lang yung available. So I just got that one. And then, yun. So, that's it for today's vlog. I hope somehow you enjoyed it. I know it's just really short, but I'm gonna try to do it this way, like film, edit, and then post. Like, screw it, I'll just do it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.
Yeah.